which is about circles, class 10. Let us look at this question. Use the given figure to find BAD. This is the angle that we want, and DQB. This is the angle that we want. We are given with this 85 degree and 40 degree. So how should we proceed?
So we have to find the third angle because we have already been given two angles. So 85 plus 40 will be 125. So the third angle will be 55 degree.
Great.
And so because we don't have the appropriate angles, what we can do is, because DCBA is a quadrilateral, a cyclic quadrilateral, so therefore what we can do is angle ABC will be 95 degree.
So what you are suggesting is that this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Am I correct?
Yes.
Because this is a cyclic quadrilateral, what you are suggesting is that this is 85 degree. Therefore, this angle would be 180 minus 85. Am I correct?
Yes.
So this would be 95 degree. Am I correct?
Yes.
So this angle is 95 degree. Okay. What next?
Now, so if angle CBA is 95 degrees, so therefore CBP, that will be 85 degrees.
Okay, great. Now what you are suggesting is that the triangle be shifted to this triangle. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Now in this triangle we already have 55 degree and 95 degree. So this would be the remaining angle. Am I correct?
Yes.
So 95 plus 55 is 130. Am I correct? No.
Yes, sir.
150. So therefore this angle would be 30 degree.
Yes, sir. Correct.
So let us write the angles VAD. VAD is 55 degree and DQB. DQB is 30 degree. Am I correct?
Yes.
So same thing is being shown in this figure. This figure is a bit clearer. Of course, the circle is the circle is more of an orange rather than a circle. But more or less, this is what we discussed, that we started with 40 degree and 85 degree. We could find 50 degree. Using 85 degree, we found 95 degree. Then using this angle and this angle, we were able to find this. Am I correct?
Yes.